you all know the 3 by 3, but here are some other cubes you may have not seen before. This looks like a 3 by 3 from the top and the bottom, but instead it's a 3 by 3 by 2 with only 2 layers instead of 3. This also looks like a 3 by 3 on the top and the bottom, but is the twisted cube. This is the pyramids or the pyramid cube. If you combine the 3 by 3 and the pyramid cube, this is the master morphings, which is a 3-layered Rubik's cube in the form of a cone. This is the cube bigger than a 3 by 3. That's a 4 by 4. This is the 5 by 5. This is the mirror cube, which is solved using the shapes instead of their colors. This is the barrel cube, a Rubik's cube in the form of a cylinder. And finally, this is the cube, which rotates on axis. So these are all the Rubik's cube in my collection.